What's up, guys? We got a Slingshot here. We just finished. This is a 2019. It's the year before they did the automatic with the push to start. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the alarm works. I'm gonna arm the system. Okay, one beep is on. Okay, I'm gonna disarm it. 2 beeps is off. Location, which I'm not going to show for security reasons, and this is our contact information. You got the voltage of the Slingshot here, which is a 12.9. Once you start the bike, it should go to 14 when the alternator kicks in. And then you got the signal of the unit. He wanted to put the picture of his car, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and arm it. It does come with the remote control. You can do either from the remote or anywhere in the world. You can do it from the phone. So let's say you parked the Slingshot on the beach or something, or wherever you on a festival, wherever you are, and you walk away and you don't remember if you arm and disarm the alarm or whatever. You can always do it from your phone, so you don't have to go back out to the parking lot to verify if the alarm is on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works if somebody jumps in the bike. It gives you the notification that the alarm is going off, and then the customer also has another phone that he's getting a notification, and so you can have it on multiple phones. So let's say you and the wife or whatever, your son or whoever, you can install this. You can download the app and log in with the same account. So if you're busy or you're at work, at least somebody else will get the alert that is a family member or whatnot. I'm just letting people know that they can have it on multiple phones. So yeah, and then the other thing that this thing has to start a kill, so I don't think I have to show anybody how a start a kill works. But basically when the alarm is armed, if you turn the key in the ignition and you press that push button on the center dash, the Slingshot won't start. So and then until you turn off the alarm, and then it will crank right up. This Slingshot alarm is done here in Miami, Florida. If you're out of state, you can always call us. We can guide you how to get the. What we have here is the shock sensor that you can adjust the sensitivity. This way is more and this way is less. This is the antenna for the fobs to work. Okay, so we left it here in the glove box. The unit is all concealed. You don't see anything. Everything is hidden. So our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.